Ang problem kasi ng vibe coding is when your application gets complicated, pag naging complex na siya, mahirapan na kayong mag-debug, mahirapan na kayong mag-build ng specific feature kasi nga medyo malaki na yung context ng application nyo. And then if you are a non-tech people or you don't have any idea how to code, no, how software engineering works, masyadong mahirap for you to maintain yung application in the long run. That's why nakikita ko, so parang magmamala Madam Auring, no? After 1 to 2 years, mas dadami yung job for software engineers. Kasi nakikita ko dadami yung mga application ngayon na magsusulputan na hindi na ma-maintain dahil sa may gusto na silang i-implement na mas complex na architecture, and then they need someone that is familiar how software engineering works.